I'm so mad at her right now. Like, she's always been kind of bitchy, but she's been, like, really, really extra bitchy lately. Like, I'm definitely put on some weight, obviously, but, like, I've only gotten way hotter, and she's, like, super jealous, because now I get even more attention, and she can't handle it, so she's been, like, really mean to me, and she keeps, like, being really rude and, like, telling me that I'm getting super fat, and that I should, like, stop snacking, and whatever. She's the worst. I don't give a shit. But since she absolutely hates it when I eat her food, that's what I'm doing right now. Literally eating all of her snacks. And she deserves it, so I don't give a shit. But extra exciting this time. Found a little something. Right, so she's like some sort of weird scientist or whatever. Like, I literally don't even know what it is she does. She will not tell me the details. But she always has like these weird experiments and stuff, and she always tells me that I have to like stay away from them and like not ask questions, and it's super fucking obnoxious. I don't know what she does. It's probably all just made up anyway. So anyway, while I was looking through her snack drawers, guess what I found hidden in the back? A little something that she liked to go out of her way to tell me not to eat. Look at that. Literally, Violet, do not eat. Rude, right? Like she's never eaten any of my food before. I mean, come on. It's ridiculous. So, I don't know. It looks like some sort of muffin blueberry experiment. Whatever the fuck that's about. I don't know. But I love muffins, and this looks amazing, so guess who's about to fucking eat it? That's right. And I cannot wait to see her face when she realizes that I ate her precious little stupid experiment. I will only add more sexy curves to my figure anyway, so she's gonna hate me. Oh my god. That is really good. This might actually be the best muffin I've ever had. Damn, what did she put in this thing? Mmm. 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 I'm kind of making my stomach feel weird though. I don't know what is happening in there, but I feel like I'm getting really bloated already. I only had a couple bites. It's so weird. Never really felt anything quite like this. Oh, my belly is getting so bloated. Weird. It feels like it's really expanding right now. Oh. I feel so weird. It's like growing almost. Whatever. It tastes delicious, and I have to eat this whole thing because why specifically mention me? Again, why Violet don't eat? It's so bitchy. Like, why not put her stupid boyfriend on there who's always here, like, stealing all of my food? Oh, he's such a douchebag. This is so good. Fuck, I feel weird. Oh my god, I feel like my belly is poking out so far now. happening here?